Ever imagine a sleek car zipping across the screen in your own animated world? Let's dive right in, beginning with a new project in Adobe Animate. Create a new Animate document, and for this, we want to stick with ActionScript 30 for compatibility. First, import or draw your car. I'll be using a pre-drawn car for speed, but feel free to create your own masterpiece. Position the car on the left side of your stage, where it will start. Now, create layers. We'll need a layer for our car and a layer for the road or background. Depending on what you want, select your car on its the layer, right-click, and transform it into a movie clip symbol. This will make it easier to animate. Now, select the layer with your car asset. Go to the last frame of your timeline. Let's say frame 60 for a short animation. Insert a keyframe by right-clicking and going to Insert Keyframe. Position your car at the opposite side of the screen. Right-click anywhere between your two keyframes and select Create Classic Tween. See the car moving smoothly and across the stage. Nice. We want to add a road. Make a simple road graphic on the bottom layer. To create a road feel to the animation, tweak the speed by adjusting the keyframe positions, closer for faster, further for slower. And there you have it. A simple but impactful car animation in Adobe Animate. Experiment with adding backgrounds, effects, or even making it loop for endless driving journeys. Congrats, you did it.